Today we are going to learn how to locate points on a coordinate graph. A coordinate graph looks like this. Each of these points has a special address that tells us where it is located on the graph. Just like your house address tells people where your house is located on the street. This is the starting point on the graph. Mathematicians call this the origin. What do mathematicians call this point? Get ready. Yes, the origin. The address of this point is 0, 0. Okay, so let's pretend that the star family lives here at this address. Let's see if we can find the address for the star family. If I want to get to the star family's house, I have to start at the origin, okay? First, I will go right, then I will go up to get the star. Which way will I go first, everyone? Get ready. Yes, right. I will go right, then I will go up to get the star. We always go right and then up. Which ways do we always go? Get ready. Yes, right and up. How far right will I go? Get ready. 1 space. Good. Count with me. 1. Okay, so how far up do I need to go? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we need to go up 3 spaces. I went right 1 and up 3. So we will write the address like this. 1, 3. So the address for the star family is 1, 3. So these numbers are called the coordinates of the point. The star family lives at 1, 3. The coordinates of the point. Let's pretend that the happy face family lives here. Put your finger on the origin. We will start at the origin and move right and up to get to the happy face's house. How far to the right will I need to go to get to the happy face? Let's count. If we start at the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces. Now how far will I need to go up? 1, 2 spaces. So the happy face family's house is right 4 spaces and up 2 spaces. The first number always tells us how far right to go, and the second number tells us how far up to go. We can use the numbers at the bottom of the graph and on the left side to help us. Okay, so let's try it a different way this time. I'm going to tell you the triangle family's coordinates, and we'll see if you can find where the triangle family lives. So the triangle family's coordinates are 2, 1. Okay? Remember, we go to the right, then we go up. So we start at the origin. We go from here, 1, 2 to the right, and 1 up. So that is where the triangle family lives. Remember, these are called coordinates of a point. Okay, those are coordinates of a point.